Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 165. This was the 11th of February, a Saturday, year 2023. Started the day off. I did exercise. I did 45 minutes on the treadmill. That included a 6-minute jog. I worked on books. I had a few solar meetings, and I had my coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. So that was pretty much it for day 165. I was late uploading this because of the Super Bowl, because I always make it a day ahead, and I just got all tangled up with the Super Bowl. No excuse, I will improve, but day 165 is in the books, and I am grateful for the 2 subscribers that have subscribed. So I have people who have commented, subscribed. I have a long way to go, but I guess the consistency is starting to take shape. You do this every single day. I've made a commitment to do this every single day for the remainder of my life, making some kind of video journal, and this is it. So day 165 is in the books. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon.